Ever wondered how to bring a touch of aroma to your garden? Aromatic herbs can do just that. They not only offer a feast for the senses with their delightful scents, but also enhance the beauty of your space and prove useful in the kitchen. So, how do you incorporate these aromatic herbs into your garden? Let's dive in. First things first, you need to choose the right aromatic herbs for your garden. When making your selection, consider the herb's preferred growing conditions, its size and growth habit, and of course, its aroma. For instance, lavender loves sunny, well-drained spots and fills the air with a soothing scent. Rosemary, on the other hand, is a hardy shrub with a robust aroma. And let's not forget mint, a vigorous grower that offers a refreshing fragrance. Once you've selected your herbs, it's time to get planting. Planting aromatic herbs isn't much different from planting other types of plants. Begin by preparing the soil. It should be well-drained and rich in organic matter. Then, sow your seeds or plant your seedlings, ensuring each has its own space to grow. Remember, sunlight is crucial. Most aromatic herbs love a good 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. And of course, don't forget to water them regularly. With the right care, your aromatic herbs will flourish and fill your garden with delightful scents. Now that your aromatic herbs are growing, there are plenty of ways to enjoy them. Bask in the unique fragrances as you stroll through your garden, or use them to brew aromatic teas. They can also elevate your cooking, adding fresh, homegrown flavors to your dishes. Beyond their practical uses, these herbs enhance the aesthetic appeal of your garden, creating a feast for the senses. Whether it's the sight, smell, or taste, aromatic herbs truly bring a unique dimension to any garden. So there you have it, a simple guide to using aromatic herbs in your landscape. We've covered choosing, planting, caring for, and enjoying these fragrant additions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!